Do you want to get the most out of your wardrobe? Well, I'm here to help you. Let's dive right in. Hello, fashionista. It's Nancy Queen, and I'm here to help you maximize your wardrobe and fill your closet full of clothes you love to wear. Today, we're talking about how to maximize your wardrobe for wearability. You might have a closet filled with clothes, but if you're organizing them incorrectly, it's not going to help you make the decisions you need to make every day. So I'm just going to show you one quick example. So I have this top and these pants, and I bought those together. I'm just going to put them in my closet like that. That is how a lot of people buy their clothes, and then they hang them that way because they think, okay, there's my outfit. I saw this on the mannequin. It looked really cute. That's the way I'm going to wear it. So I'll just hang it in the closet. So then what happens is they have maybe 10 outfits they've bought that way, and they go in their closet and they think, I am so sick of my clothes. Oh, I wore this to the last event. I don't want to wear it again. Or I've worn this to work. I feel like I wear it to work every single day. I don't want to do that. But what happens is you only see it this way. However, if you organize your wardrobe by classification rather than by outfit, you are going to maximize your wardrobe. So I'm going to put the pants over with the pants. The top is going to go over with the top. I've got my sweaters together, my accessories together, and I hang my clothes in rainbow order from light to dark by classification. So I keep all my t-shirts together, all my shirts together, I keep all my jackets together, and then of course all of my pants. Now, for the purposes of showing you clothing today, I have my little setup here, but normally I would have my pants folded. I keep my sweaters folded. In fact, I have a whole thing on what to hang versus what to fold. I'll put a link in the description to that so that if you have questions over hanging and folding, that will help you. And it even talks about how to arrange your clothes from light to dark with a little color chart in there to show you. By hanging your clothes by classification rather than by outfit, you can take your wardrobe and just maximize the heck out of it. So instead of having one outfit, I'm going to show you how to turn it into 4 or even 8 outfits. So let's start here. Okay, so let's go with that original outfit we talked about. So I've got the pink pants here along with this printed top. So instead of just pulling out the same outfit, we're going to start with just the top. Let's think about, first of all, you take it out of your closet and then it's like, well, what do I wear it with? Well, go to your pants, and if you've done the capsule wardrobe concept, you've purchased clothing in the colors that you like, so you can go and look at your pants and say, oh my gosh, I can wear this with either of these 2 skirts. I can wear it with white jeans, blue jeans, or those pink pants that we talked about. So now instead of having one outfit idea, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outfit ideas that go with just this one top. Next thing you can do is you can decide I could just wear it like this, or I could layer it with a t-shirt underneath it. Or let's say it's getting hot, you could put one of these t-shirts on first with any one of these combinations, and then you could just either tie this around the waist or throw it over your shoulders for a totally different look. But this now, turning into one boring outfit that you're sick of, you have turned it into so many different combinations. At least 10 different outfit combinations based on what we just talked about. Let's do the same thing with the pants. Got your one pair of pants. They're a lot to take. They're bright pink. However, if you were to pair them with a white top or a white linen blouse or a white t-shirt, you could put a jean jacket over it like the one I have on. This would be perfect over top of it. Or you could put it with a navy puffer jacket. And then you could even take it and add an accessory like this scarf to really give it a pop of color and maximize the look. So instead of it just being one outfit, this and this together, Now you've created 1, 2, 3, 4. We could have done this. 5, 6, 7 more outfit options. In fact, I didn't even talk about the sweaters. You could do it with the white sweater. You could even do it with the pink leopard sweater. So there's so many outfit ideas that you can do, and it really changes up your thinking. It's like you're shopping your closet every single day. So instead of organizing by outfit, switch to organizing by category. Go ahead and check out the article I have on that in the description. It'll give you lots more details, and I'll see you in the next video.